loves, welcome back to my space. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are an OG, I see you. So guys, today we're going to do another video. We're going to DIY this lip gloss. As you can see me filling myself with a homemade lip gloss. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So today we're starting our video in my kitchen, and I'm going to have to do this video from the kitchen because I need heat. So we're going to start with this shot glass. No, it's for shots, the one that you take for shots. We're also going to use Vaseline, and you're going to use an old lipstick or a new lipstick that you have, which is solid ones. These solid ones, I love this mark because it has its own lip gloss, what you're trying to create. And this is, we are going to have this empty bottle for our lip gloss or lip balm. Yeah, so without further ado, we're also going to have boiling water, because we're not going to to melt our Vaseline direct komoto. We're going to use it, was this called a bath, hot bath or what? Yeah, so we're going to melt it over boiling water. Am I making sense? So we're going to just take in all our empty our Vaseline kebe. If you find it difficult to use this, like maybe your spoon or something, don't be afraid. Tumia vidole, chota na kidole, chota, use your fingers to chota this. Yeah, so once you're transferred, you're going to let it now melt. Sit on that hot water and melt as we add our lipstick, this old lipstick. Guys, you can use beetroot, you can use or you can use carrots, depending on what you want or the kind of lip balm you want. But for me, I just decided to use this lipstick that I have that I never use. As you can see, it's a new lipstick. So we're going to add lipstick to it so that it can also melt. As you can see, my lip balm empty bottle is too big, so I really need, like, I feel like for me to jaza there, I need a lot of Vaseline, or I can use something else. Guys, you can use Vaseline, or you can use coconut oil, you can use shea butter, you can use olive oil. It all depends with what you want on your lips. So for me, I decided to go with Vaseline, but I also needed to have something. I know, Vaseline is not that shiny, and so I also want to add shea butter to this, because if you are an OG to this channel, you already know I use shea butter on my lips. I'm not a fan of lipsticks anymore. I used to love lipsticks when I was in Kole. Nowadays, so you see, I'm adding shea butter. Nowadays, I don't like lipsticks as much, so I added shea butter because it's what I use on my lips, and then I let it melt again so that I can transfer the liquid. Now, these are solids. Once they have turned into liquid, I can transfer them easily to my lip balm empty container. So it took time. Shea butter, as you can see, this was raw shea butter when Vaseline had already preheated. I wish I started with shea butter, but because I realized I wanted to add this later, so this is raw shea butter. You definitely know I use raw shea butter. It's not even hata ijatengenezwa anything. So it took time to melt, and once it melted, I had to transfer the whole nini to the empty container. This tot glass or shot glass is hot, so be careful when you're holding it. I always say be very careful when you're holding hot stuffs, especially when you're doing our DIYs. Yeah. So as you can see, this thing is coming to life. Can you see that? Like my lip gloss is like, now it seems it shows something, but as you can see, I added a lot of lipstick. That's why it has so much color. So if you don't want a lot of color, you can just leave it at that point. If you want, if you like essential oils, you can add essential oils here at this point. For me, I just love everything natural, and I don't like taste and smell on my lips, so I just like natural stuff. So I'm not going to add any essential oils, but if you like essential oils, you can add them at this point. Yeah, once you've done this, wipe your container vizuri, and then cover it kabisa, close tighten, and then you're going to put it in your fridge for freezer, the freezer nini, for a few minutes, maybe depending with how cold your freezer is. So you're going to put it in our freezer. Okay, yes, let's do this. So few minutes later, I did 10 minutes. My freezer was super cold. I did 10 minutes, and guys, look at this. It has solidified. Is that the correct name? Just look at this. Now these are lip gloss, like this, completely like those ones that you buy. I love this. Just look at it. Look at this. Look at how shiny it is. Look at how it gives this color and shininess. I super love this. Yeah. So guys, here is our gloss. We have tried on our arm and you saw the way it looks good. So I'm going to try it on the lips. Like, yo, I can't wait. It smells natural. Not a big, nothing big, nothing, no scent, no nothing. So I love this because it smells so natural and it doesn't have like a weird smell. It smells more like Vaseline, less of lipstick. So I'm going to try. I know you're waiting because I love the way it came out. Just look at this. I don't know how to, you see, I don't know how to do it, but I hope you can see because I'm recording this at night. There's shade or whatever, but I hope you can see. So let's try together on our lips. Whoa, this is too much. I hope this is not too much. Oh my god. I love how this feels. It's super soft. Super soft. Feels so good on these lips, man. The feels perfect. The glow. Can you see the glow? Can you see how the lips are shining? That shininess that comes. Just look at that. Look at that. And then the shade is, it's less of lipstick and less of kawaida lips with Vaseline. So the shade is super perfect. The feeling, the softness, the texture of it is super soft. I love this. I truly love this. From today, this is going to be my go on, like this is my favorite. This is what is going to be my favorite. So let's create magic with this. And if you try this, let me know if you have tried this homemade lip balm, because I feel myself. So you can clearly tell I love this. So I decided to take a few shots, do a little commercial on this product that I've just created. And my son was there just cheering me up, and he was like, yo, she's feeling herself. So he decided to sing Such Kind of Love for me. So enjoy. I've decided not to cut on this part so that you can enjoy together. Tell me how you love the commercial. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time. Bye-bye.